Hey guys, this is Kobe from Performance Toyota Service, located in Sinking Spring, Pennsylvania. Today I'm going to walk you through when to service your vehicle. Most of you guys are probably used to servicing your vehicle every 3,000 or 5,000 miles. Toyota does come with a maintenance required light that will remind you. That is set for every 5,000 miles. On your 2012 and above, most of those vehicles will have a 0W20 weight oil. Those service intervals are still every 5,000 miles because Toyota wants you back here for a tire rotation, but your oil change will be every 10,000 miles. Many may know when you buy a brand new Toyota, you do get Toyota Care, which is pretty cool. You get 2 years or 25,000 miles worth of free maintenance with us. That's going to be a total of 5 services. So on a brand new Camry, Corolla, RAV, 4Runner, any of our models, you're going to have your first 5 services covered. By Toyota, free of charge, no hassle. In those services, your first service is going to be at 5,000 miles. That will just be a tire rotation. We'll make sure your vehicle is up to all of our standards, make sure the brakes are good, tires are wearing well, and then we'll also wash your car at the end of that service. Your next service would be at 10,000 miles, which your maintenance required light will remind you, and so will the sticker in the window. That will be your first oil change. So you'll have an oil change and tire rotation at that visit. 15,000 miles will just be your tire rotation, and then again at 20 will be an oil change and tire rotation. For the customers that have vehicles that are 2011 and below, most of those vehicles will have conventional oil or synthetic blend. At that time, you do have an oil change every 5,000 miles, so it is definitely important to get in here at that 5,000 mile marker. If you have any questions or concerns though on how to service your vehicle, when you need service, what's the intervals, feel free to give us a call at 610-678-3425 or reach out to us at performancetoyotapa.com.